We will study some fundamental concepts of price elasticity of demand, or PED this time. As we go along with this PowerPoint presentation, price elasticity of demand shall be elaborated. In the following as an example, let's suppose price goes down from $20 to $18 and quantity demanded increases from 80 units to 100 units. Then, would it be elastic or inelastic? Prior to the calculations, let's draw elastic and inelastic demand curves. As usual, price goes to vertical axis and quantity goes to the horizontal axis. Plot random prices and quantities on each line. After that, draw a flatter D1 demand curve and a steeper D2 demand curve. A flatter demand curve means it is elastic, and steeper indicates that it is inelastic. The base numeric number for deciding elastic or inelastic is number 1. Now, ready to calculate for PED in the case of D1 demand curve. Do you remember the formula that we studied in the previous slide? Using that formula, plot all prices and quantities given by our example here. $20 should be the previous price, and $18 is the current price. 80 units is the previous quantity demanded, and 100 units is the current quantity demanded. Then, we get 25% over negative 10% with an elasticity of negative 2.5. 25% over negative 10% means that a 10% decrease in price will cause the quantity demand to rise by 25%. In simplified forms, a 1% decrease in price will cause the quantity demanded to rise by 2.5%. This is when the demand is elastic. When price elasticity is elastic, the quantity demanded will show a large change even if price changes a little. As shown on the diagram, when price goes down to $18 from $20, the quantity demanded increases larger than the price change, that is, from 80 units to 100 units. However, if demand is inelastic, the calculated number of price elasticity of demand should be less than 1, and the demand curve will become steeper, as you can see on the diagram, that is, the D2 demand curve. One more thing you need to know is that PED is always an absolute value, because price and quantity demanded are inversely related. Consequently, negative signs are meaningless. In the next